Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over how to conduct the hormone testing kits for the aUroRA study. Just as a reminder, in this study we're asking you to complete a test every day for a period of 5 weeks and upload images each day into your daily surveys. The testing kit you will receive looks like this, and once you open it up, you will see that it does come with its own set of instructions. These are not going to be the ones you use, so please disregard those. We will be emailing you your own set of instructions that you see here on the screen after you complete the baseline surveys, and also be ordering the testing kits to your home. One thing to remember is that you should start testing the Wednesday after you receive your kit. We will set up your daily surveys to start on the Wednesday after Amazon's expected delivery date, and we will let you know when you should start testing. We also want you to use your first morning urine, as this is the most concentrated, and try to test about the same time each day within 1 hour of one another. And again, you will be completing these tests every day for 5 weeks in a row. Okay, so for our first step, what you want to do is you want to remove one urine cup and one testing strip from the package. So these are what your urine cups look like. You will remove one of these, and you will also need a testing strip. So once you get your kit, you will see that it comes with both blue and pink testing strips. For our study, please only use the blue, and the pink you can throw away or keep for yourself. The reason that we use these blue tests is that they are ovulation tests, and these tests measure the luteinizing hormone, or LH, which are commonly used for fertility purposes because LH is what kicks off the ovulation process. So basically, what happens is that during your period, your LH levels are really low and may be undetectable. Then shortly after your period ends, your LH will surge, or in other words, increase a lot quickly. And then about 24 to 48 hours after the surge, you ovulate. And after you ovulate, your LH levels will decrease to low undetectable levels again. This is why people use these tests for fertility purposes, with the positive test indicating a particularly fertile time. For this study, the most important thing for us to capture is when you get that LH surge. In other words, when you see the darkest test line for you appear and then go away. That surge can last for 1 to 3 days, so that's why it's important that you do not miss any tests, because if you miss 1 day of testing, you might miss your 1 day of LH surge. Test results can also vary from one woman to woman, and even vary within one woman from one menstrual cycle to the next. So it's totally normal to see negative test results for many days in a row, followed by 1 day with a very light positive line and then negative test results again. It's also normal to see a few days of a negative result, then a few days of a light line, followed by a few days of a very dark line, then more light lines. So once you have both your testing cup and your testing strip, what you're going to do is to collect urine into the testing cup. You do not need to clean your vulva before collecting the urine. Once you have done that, your next step is to dip the testing strip into the urine with the white part facing down for at least 5 to 10 seconds until you see a dye starting to rise up. Make sure that when you are dipping into the testing cup, you do not dip past this max line here. And also be sure that when you're holding the testing strip, you only touch the blue part. After the 5 to 10 seconds have passed, you will then set your testing strip onto a dry, flat, non-absorbent surface. You can use the back of your toilet seat for this. Just make sure you do not place any paper towel or toilet paper under the strip. It should be placed directly onto a non-absorbent surface. You can also balance the testing strip onto the cup, like this. If you prefer, just again, be sure that it's not touching any absorbent surface. And then you will wait 5 minutes. You can set up a timer on your phone during this time and set a timer for 5 minutes. You have to wait at least 5 minutes before taking a picture of your results, but the results are valid for up to 15 minutes. Just be sure to include this into your notes if it does pass this time. After the 5 minutes have passed, you will then take a picture of your results, save this picture, and then upload it onto your daily survey. And that's it. You will repeat this every day and contact us if you run into any problems. Thank you.